Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make Windows 11 bootable USB. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to download Windows 11 ISO file, and to do so just go to the browser and in the search bar just type Windows 11 download, and after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, download Windows 11 Microsoft. Now go down. So you will see this create Windows 11 installation media. Just click on this download now button to download the software. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now just double click on this. Click on yes. Now just click on the accept button. Now just click on next button. Now just select the second option, ISO file, and after this just click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, your Windows 11 will start downloading. I will not click on this next button as I have already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. So let me just paste it on the desktop. Now after you have downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file, just close this window. And now in order to make the bootable pen drive, we have to download one more software. So just go to the browser and in the search bar just type Rufus download and hit enter. Now just click on this first link, Rufus create bootable USB. Go down and click on this first link, Rufus 3.17. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now just double click on this Rufus application. Click on yes. Now just insert minimum 8 GB pen drive into your system. 8 GB pen drive is required because the size of the Windows 11 ISO file is 5 GB. So it should be more than that. So I am now inserting the pen drive. So you can see that it is showing the pen drive. So just select it and after this just click on the select button. Now just go to the place where you have kept the Windows 11 ISO file and then just double click on it. So you can see that the Windows 11 ISO file is now selected. Now you have to select the partition scheme. And in order to select the partition scheme, you have to go to the system on which you are going to install the Windows 11 with the help of this bootable pen drive. And on that system, you have to check the partition style of its hard drive. So just go to that system, go to the search bar, and in the search bar just type computer management. So yeah, it is already showing in the search result. So just click on computer management. Now just click on the disk management in the left hand side. Now just click on the hard disk or the disk 0 of the system. After this just right click over it and click on properties option. Now go to the volumes tab and just check the partition style. So it is GPT in my system. After checking the partition style, just close this window, close this one also, and under partition scheme just select the partition style. Now if in your system if the partition style is MBR, then just select the MBR option. In my system it is GPT, so I will select GPT. After this, just go down and click on the start button. Click on the OK button, and now the process has started. So just wait for it to complete 100%. After this process is completed, your pen drive will become a Windows 11 bootable pen drive, and you can install Windows 11 on any system with the help of this pen drive. So this is how you can make a Windows 11 bootable USB. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.